Here's a 2022 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, voice activation, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and streaming audio. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.